Hi everyone, welcome to Creation Tech. Today, I will show you how to do a very simple process. Select the rectangle tool and create the perfect shape of the shape. Control plus C for copy and control, plus Shift plus C for paste in place. Draw what you need. Copy and paste. Adjust all. Round shape should be made for writing. Control plus C for copy and control, plus Shift plus C for paste in place. Great importance should be given. Finally, select the Shape Builder tool and delete everything unnecessary. Color all. Some adjustments to invoices will give you different designs. Pick up your wanted color. Draw carefully. Use gradient tool for color. We're just showing you the process of designing some of the world's best logos. You can create the required shape and color it. You need to provide some details in contact with owner information, WhatsApp, mail, location, etc. Create any shape with any tools, then select Move tool and press Alt and copy just your side, then press Ctrl plus DC Magic and type. That's nice. To draw a logo, we must first understand how to draw the logo.